Off-roading at its very best here this morning. Yes! Take that one off. Another 500 down. Not too sure if we can see that. We're on the hunt for Blaeberry Mountain. The Sherpa forgot to take his Instagram photo. 500 number 3 today. Morning. Saturday again. We're back out in the Mournes. Welcome back to the channel. First video under the new name, Jeff Greenaway Outdoors. Thanks for coming along. Just started off at Bloody Bridge car park there. Stephen and myself going to do a wee bit of a sort of mismatched trail today. Don't think there's any exact route for this one. Going to tick off a couple of peaks over 500 metres. I was actually looking on the internet the other day to see how many we've done. I think we're only 6 or 7 short of doing them all, but today we're going to do Crossone, then over to Blaeberry Mountain, I think you call it, and then drop down on the Spences Mountain, and then come across on the Slievenagarragh, and then back down to Bloody Bridge. Not even too sure how many mile or anything time wise, but Stephen's pushed on, so I'll catch up already. The first point there behind us, Crossone, but we've got the first sort of talking point. And I see we would normally cross this river and there's a stile there, and then it'll bring you up the side of Chimney rock, but I'm there 100% certain there's a trail here where we don't have to cross over, and it'll keep you on this side for Crossone. Stephen's checking his map first, we'll take it from there. As you can see in the distance, that was sunrise. It's just went behind the clouds unfortunately, but it's given a wee bit cloudy this morning, but not too much, and the 80% chance of clear tops. But it looks things at the moment it is looking likely up until about 12:30, but as you seen by the watch early on, it shouldn't take 6 hours hopefully for this, so we'll make our minds up and now we'll bring it back. Yeah, so we're standing on the right hand side of the river. Quite excited. Been up here a few times, Bloody Bridge starting point. It's the first time I've been this side of the river, so looking forward to it at the moment, but the small jaggies are coming back out and the legs are getting pricked here, but can't complain. A little bit out of breath, got a head cold, no big shock, seems to be a weekly occurrence these days. It's really nice to see this side of the river. Like I said, it's our first time this way. First really major sighting of Crossone. There should be a trail just up ahead here. It does cut off halfway up it, and then it's just basically off-roading up it. It does look small enough, but I'm under no illusions that it is steep. And then I'm thinking, that's the top of it obviously, and then we're going to drop down the back of it, head to the wall, up Chimney Rock. Blaeberry should be the other side of that. Spences should be even further on. and then come back on ourselves, and I reckon that's Slievenagarragh. So good sort of loop. I actually may put on the reel at the end just so you can get a good feel of the circuit, but I'd say the next 10 minutes we're going to be attacking this. So there might be plenty of mile checks today because obviously, like I said down there, there isn't a circuit or a loop or anything. Touching that there, disappointing at the moment if that does come to anything, but just over 1.5 mile, just over an hour, 64 minutes, but got the drone up there, a couple of shots looking towards Donard, then up the bloody bridge itself, river, towards the bog of Donard, and a couple of other ones, but on the trail now it's a wee bit soggy, but it has been raining constantly for about a month or so at least here. This is going to be a leg burner, I know it is, I can feel it. And I hope I do get up here before that cloud comes from Chimney Rock. So the trail's ended here. The summit's up there, obviously. Gonna have to do a wee bit of off-roading, pick a way up, but we knew that. I guess we'll have fun, so we're gonna start. Off-roading at its very best here this morning. Yes! Check that one off. Another 500 down. Just over half a mile from the bottom of the river up the Crossone. That was a tight one, honestly. Gonna catch the breath, get a drink. That's Crossone done. Don't know if you can hear me or not, it's very windy up here. Going ahead there, up Chimney Rock. That's Slievenagarragh, that's the last port. But to be honest, it's going to be a longer route than I thought, so it's going to be a long day by the things. We'll pour on and get down out of this wind. Just a wee disclaimer, if you're going up that way, be careful of your footing. Obviously you're in a mountain range, so if you go down a hole or anything, it's very hellery. But by the looks of things, if you come this at the back end of it, sort of, it's not as steep. Might be a wee bit more guttery, like, but might be worth doing on another day. Stephen's powered on. Must remind him that we're not out to break any records. "15 minutes of down across the lower slopes of Slievenagarragh there. Just over a quarter of a mile from the summit of Crossone to the quarry trail, which will now lead us up to the wall of the bog of Donard. Lovely morning so far. I haven't really touched the weather, to be honest, but the dirty big cloud over Chimney Rock is lifted. It's clearing above Donard as well. Oh, and near down. So fingers crossed that we're going to continue on with a decent weather. So I've decided to just come straight to the wall, which we're now, let me see, 2 hours 40 minutes in. Got the drone out again, happy days. A couple of shots around the wall. There's dirty big clouds coming in over Chimney Rock now, but they're coming and going, which is happy days. Does get the bog down for a reason, like here at the moment. Oh, jeepers, oh. Just have to get through it. Once we get through this bit up Chimney Rock, that'll be sort of the last climb of the day, I think, and then everything else is sort of, we'll drop into Blaeberry Mountain, Spences Mountain, and then over to, oh good grief, Slievenagarragh, so it is. So one more climb and then all downhill. Slievenagarragh. In. Was always coming. Halfway up the Chimney Rock now, but should be safe enough. I don't think there's any drop offs or anything this way up. That just literally turned 10-15 seconds of even. Had a lunch on the ridge of Chimney Rock there. Just taking a wee bit of shelter in behind the rock. Nice chicken and stuff and sandwich. Let's see, so just the view from this side. There is Crossone. We've dropped down in there. Slievenagarragh down there. That's the slopes that we've came up basically. Up a wall. And then just up here. There's Stephen backing up, and there's the rock. We're heading out that direction. I think Blaeberry Mountains is the other side. I'm gonna pull the map out here and just have a look, but it's not actually on all trails or anything, so we'll have to rely on a paper map this morning, old school. Summit number 2 done there, Chimney Rock. 4.4 mile, 3.5 hours, but we did have a lunch break there. Clouds are just coming and going. Bit of a nip in the air, but fresh, loving it. First time I've seen Slieve Binion this morning. Definitely get good views up here. Stephen, nearly a wee Joe, myself done Chimney Rock. November time, cracking morning, great views. I'll put the link at the top. Click on her, have a wee watch if you want. Stephen's wife Tracy bought us let's see what this is. Chipper chick Easter egg. So I think he's getting a few pictures of it maybe, and then we're going to eat it in the car. It's just a wee bit too cold up here at the moment, but I think that there is Spences Mountain in front of us, and then somewhere just below here is Blaeberry Mountain. So I'll get the map out now. In fact, I haven't done it yet, and have a wee look just to see where we are, where we're going to drop to. So catch up soon. Not too sure if we can see that. We're on the hunt for Blaeberry Mountain. Had to look up the, let me see, the map coordinates for Google Maps. It's bringing us towards it, like, so unless that's it in the distance and then Spences below it, but I'll tell you in about 5 minutes, so I will. That's it, Blaeberry Mountain, according to the coordinates anyway. If anybody knows any different, put it in the comments below. I'm not too sure what to say. Slightly disappointing, isn't it? Over 500, that's enough. 500, one ticked off the list, according to the coordinates. Onward to Spences Mountain. I think it took 15 minutes from the top of Chimney Rock to here. It shouldn't take too long from here to Spences. See you later. Number 3 there, done. Spences in the bag, onward again. That's Slievenagarragh, the next one. Whew. But decent enough. Before I forget, so that's 5.12 mile. Can't even remember what it was from there. From Chimney Rock now, sorry. But time wise, I think it was 25 minutes from there, taking in Blaeberry Mountain, if I've took it in. Spences, so 25 minutes. This shouldn't take too long either. We're dropping straight down into the like a valley. So I'll see you over there. The Sherpa forgot to take his Instagram photo. Take 2 to Slievenagarragh because of the Sherpa. Slievenagarragh in the bag, that's number 5 for the day. Easy enough sort of going there from Spences. Found a couple of wee sheep trails, brought you over nicely. You're just basically just dropping down all the time on a slight incline, not much, but I'll see. Bring us over to the edge here. Just there's Bloody Bridge. We've obviously come up the track, Crossone, down, the slopes have been, or Donard, up to the wall, up Chimney Rock, Blaeberry Mountain, Spences Mountain, across, up to Slievenagarragh, 6.3 mile, 4 hours 43 minutes. I'll do the full rundown in the car when we get there. I'll probably not do much videoing because I've done Bloody Bridge before, the walk. If you watch the channel you know what it's like. So, unless anything else happens, I'll see you down the car. There we go, Saturday's done. Near 8 mile, just ticked over 6 hours. 5 summits, cracking morning, loads ups and downs. A couple of 500s ticked off, can't complain with that. Sun's out, just gonna relax here for a couple of minutes. Tuck into this egg, just take it all in. So, thanks for coming along, watching for so long, and I'll see you all out next week again.